So in commercial property, there's one strategy that I particularly like. There are many strategies, very powerful, but there's one that anybody can get involved in right now today, and the opportunity is fairly huge, to be honest. And it's really learning one thing. You know, when you learn one thing in commercial property, which I call the art of boxing a brand, then you really can produce remarkable results, and you can double and triple values of property immediately overnight as soon as you secure a long-term lease with a tenant, a secure tenant on the right terms. Now, in terms of boxing a brand, all that means is really finding a tenant that wants to expand, grow, open more shops, and then finding a property to fit that tenant's requirements. So it's really probably summed up in a little story that I like to tell people. And it's a story of a very famous Canadian ice hockey player. He was the National Hockey League Hall of Fame. He had over 100 awards to his name. In fact, one of the awards was an award for having the most awards, which is quite incredible. But anyway, he was head and shoulders above everybody else. And when he was asked, you know, why is he so good? Why is he head and shoulders above everybody else? And a common theme in his answers or his replies during these interviews was the fact that he said the following, which is really insightful and it really applies to us in the world of commercial property. And what he said was that he does not skate to where the puck is because everybody skates there. So the masses are skating towards where the puck is currently, and he's skating to where the puck will be, or where he thinks and hopes the puck will be, and most of the times he was right, obviously. And where the puck will be is clear ice because there's nobody else there. So you're in a pond of one as opposed to skating against the masses of where the puck is just now. Now, how does that apply to us? And you know, what does that mean to us? Well, really what we do in the art of boxing a brand is we do not look for commercial property. What we do is we get in touch with the brands, the Starbucks, the Costa Coffee, the Domino's, Aldi, Lidl, McDonald's, and we basically find out where they want to open shops, where their puck will be in 6 months' time. So we find out where they want to open shops, where they have a gap in their pipeline, and then we help them fill that gap. And it's as simple as that. It's reverse engineering the whole process. We then take that information of where they want to be and their specific requirements, which are detailed on each brand, and then we go and hunt where they want to be for empty boxes. I know it sounds simple, it is pretty simple, but that's it in a nutshell. We love to reverse engineer the whole process, find out where the brands want to be, and then go and find them a shop to put that brand into the box. Therefore, we're boxing a brand. And it's a pretty simple strategy, it's pretty awesome, and it's really learning one thing, the art of boxing a brand and reverse engineering the whole process. So number one, you go and find out the brand's requirements. Number two, you then go and look where they want to expand and find cheap empty property or cheap boxes, and then you agree a deal with the brand on securing a long-term lease within that box or that empty property. And in a nutshell, that's it.